Welcome to our channel Wizard, where we explore the latest innovations in tools and equipment designed to revolutionize the way we work. Today, we're diving into a lineup of cutting-edge solutions that are not only enhancing efficiency, but also prioritizing safety across various industries. From roof safety systems to intelligent vices, these innovations are setting new standards for productivity and peace of mind. Let's jump right in. Versatile fence post and tent pole hammer. This tool is perfect for builders, event planners, and campground owners. It efficiently hammers fence posts, tent poles, road signs, and more. Just ensure the bolt's diameter doesn't exceed 8 centimeters. Parts for different diameters are included. Surprisingly, this tool combines a 1.3 horsepower Honda engine with a weight of 20 kilograms, making it a powerful yet relatively lightweight option perfect for solo work. It is priced at $1,738. Festool ISC 240 Cordless Cutter. Resembling a weapon from a zombie movie, this cordless cutter is designed for peaceful tasks like cutting insulating materials. Its universal cutting element handles mineral wool and polyurethane foam boards equally well. With a weight of just 1.4 kilograms and a cutting depth of 240 millimeters, the Festool ISC 240 model is available for about $930. Milwaukee Dust Trap. For drill enthusiasts, Milwaukee offers the Dust Trap, a universal dust extraction system compatible with all SDS Plus drill bits. It's the first universal solution approved by the U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Dust Trap doesn't need a vacuum and works seamlessly with drill bits up to 20 centimeters long. This handy system costs $23. Stanley FatMax Power Claw. Stanley introduces a practical hybrid between an extension cord and a clamp with a 15 amp capacity. The 91 centimeters cord length is perfect for tasks on ladders or workbenches, and rubber elements ensure secure attachment, even upside down. Weighing 640 grams, the FatMax Power Claw 32050 is available for $25. MLT Tile Installation System. For tile installation, MLT marks the next step with a system that works on floors, walls, and ceilings. It lets you set joints with a minimal thickness of 0.5 millimeters, a feat not all competitors achieve. With just 3 reusable elements, MLT can handle numerous projects for quicker, high-quality work. The system, available with nearly 1,000 elements and a plastic box, costs $800. Plasmax Tapping Arm Set. Plasmax provides a table and tapping arm set, perfect for shops that tap regularly. The arm is detachable for installation in different work areas and has a working radius of 1.3 meters. Torque control is managed by an electronic system, with precise adjustments available via touchscreen. 2 thread ranges are offered, and pricing details are available directly from Plasmax. Drill Ease Cordless Drill. Drill Ease offers a top-notch cordless drill designed for drilling ties. It weighs under 14 kilograms with a fully charged battery and can drill 120 holes to a depth of 15 centimeters in just 3 seconds. It's perfect for projects on bridges or in tight tunnel spaces. It's priced at $3,360. Wolfcraft Triple-Bladed Edge Planer. Wolfcraft's triple-bladed edge planer is tailored for drywall professionals. It achieves a flawless 35 degrees edge in one pass. Its ergonomic design enables one-handed operation, and it includes 3 easily replaceable blades. It is available for purchase at $41. Holmatro Lifting Bags. Holmatro lifting bags work like a jack but are more compact, with a pressure of up to 12 bars. The stackable bags support various loads and are easy to work with. Pricing varies depending on the model, with details available from Holmatro. Container caster wheels. Essential for container unloading and loading equipment, these caster wheels support cargo ranging from 6 to 60 tons. No power tools are needed for installation, and tow bars are available for added convenience. Pricing details are available depending on the version. Saw Gauge 2.0. The S-Gauge 2.0 ensures a perfectly precise cut. It is compatible with various saws and can handle measurements up to 51 centimeters with an extension. Available for purchase at $240, it's an essential tool for many woodworkers. Blade Clean System. The Blade Clean System simplifies and speeds up the cleaning process for discs and blades up to 30 centimeters in diameter. It prevents unnecessary sharpening and is known as one of the fastest cleaning options available. It costs $100. Concrete Vibrator FPV-45. The FPV-45 concrete vibrator weighs just 17.7 kilograms and is perfect for indoor use with its all-electric motor. It operates without smoke, noise, or vibration and plugs into a standard 240-volt European outlet. It is priced at $1,977. Gutter Sense Cleaning Tool. Gutter Sense is a convenient tool for gutter cleaning. It features a telescopic handle with an attached clamp and simplifies the task of removing leaves, branches, and debris from gutters. It costs $34. Perry Cleaning Supplies. Perry provides a range of cleaning supplies, including brush combs and roller scrapers, essential for maintaining tools' lifespan. Additionally, they offer brushes signed by the craftsmen who made them. Milwaukee Pruning Shear. Milwaukee's pruning shear can effortlessly cut branches up to 32 millimeters thick with a cordless design for added convenience. Priced at $440, it's compatible with M12 batteries from other Milwaukee tools. Alpha 240B Utility Knife. The Alpha 240B utility knife stands out for its segmented blade and a special protrusion for opening paint cans. Available for purchase at $16, it offers ease of use and blade changing, with a locking system activated with a single touch. Pyre Professional Clamps. Pyre's professional clamps, made from steel and glass fiber-reinforced nylon, offer one-handed control and serve as spreaders. They can clamp forces of up to 3,000 newtons and are priced at around $23. They provide a solid solution for working with wood, plastic, or glass. Bullseye Bore Core. The Bullseye Bore Core is a versatile light that substitutes for a bubble level. It allows even beginners to drill perfect holes straight to the wall or the piece being worked on. It adjusts for any surface curvature and comes with the option of red or green circles. Priced at $130, it's a great gift idea for the 100 million people who drill every day. Wacom Evo 360 Mask. The Wacom Evo 360 Mask filters up to 99.8% of the incoming air and cools it by directing 20% of the airflow to the forehead. It works for up to 18 hours and includes 27 filters and a steel anti-spark mesh. Priced at $3,500, it offers protection against vapors, gases, smoke, aerosols, and dust, making it suitable for use in explosive environments. CTRLAX Knife. The CTRLAX knife is gaining popularity for DIY projects. It vibrates up to 40,000 times per second to make cutting faster and easier. It's capable of cutting materials like MDF, acrylic, leather, and carbon fiber, and comes with 5 different blade types in the standard kit. Priced at $409, it offers versatility and efficiency for various tasks. Winkler Technic PDF System. The Winkler Technic PDF system is a tool for underfloor heating installation, simplifying the process with insulation tape. The tape is 4 mm thick and sold in a 25 roll, offering a handy solution for areas over 6 square meters. Pricing is available upon request. Wolfcraft Handheld Keyhole Saw. The Wolfcraft handheld keyhole saw is perfect for working in recesses and small, irregularly shaped holes, such as installing sockets and switches. Its 5 mm diameter and comfortable 2-piece handle provide excellent control. Pricing is available upon request. Allrock Cable Stripping Tools. Allrock offers tools for stripping and preparing low, medium, and high voltage cables. The CWB 1244 aids in removing the semiconducting screen with a working diameter ranging from 12 to 44 mm. The J1R1 is a compact tool capable of removing insulation and sheathing from wires with diameters from 6 to 21 mm. EVOC Roof Safety System. The EVOC Roof Safety System is installed in 15 minutes without nails or screws, supporting up to 8 people each, weighing up to 141 kilograms. Successfully tested for full protection, it's a valuable option for tackling complex roofs with multiple slopes. GTM Professional Elephant's Trunk 3. The Elephant's Trunk 3 from GTM Professional lets you carry garden tools weighing up to 8 kilograms. It is worn like a backpack and has a steel cable to attach tools. Priced at $405.50, it's a convenient solution for professional gardeners. Shuttle Lifting System for Solar Panels. The shuttle lifting system is ideal for handling solar panels. It can lift 2 pieces at once in just 10 seconds. With a maximum load of 60 kilograms and a working height of 11.2 meters, it's priced at $6,300. Makita XS1 Dust Blower. The Makita XS1 boasts 4 speeds and 5 nozzles. It suits a variety of applications and offers fast and efficient dust blowing. Priced at $194 without the battery, it's compact and easy to use in tight spaces. Make Intelligent Smart Vise. Make Intelligent presents the world's first smart vise, offering adjustable clamping foot force and automatic stops. Priced at $149, it runs on a built-in 4,400 mAh battery and offers additional modules like a fan and diode lighting. Craig's 720 Pro Pocket Hole Jig. The Craig 720 Pro Pocket Hole Jig is a professional solution for handling workpieces from 13 to 38 millimeters thick. It features an Automax clamp and Grip Max coating. Priced at $150, it offers convenience and reliability for woodworking projects. Aimer Step Self-Tapping Step. Aimer Step offers a self-tapping step for hunters, easily screwing into a tree trunk to support up to 340 kilograms. Priced at $4, it's a straightforward and convenient solution for tree stand installation. Titan Paint Roller and Sprayer Combo. The Titan Paint Roller and Sprayer Combo offers fast and efficient painting for ceilings and facades. It has a detachable roller and an optional guide wheel. The basic kit costs $223, making it ideal for less experienced workers. Cyclops CMT 250 Strapping Tool. The Cyclops CMT 250 strapping tool uses vibration for welding straps and is battery-operated for one-handed operation. Priced at $2,350, it offers automatic tension adjustments and can handle 400 strapping cycles on a full charge. Silic Lid. The Silic Lid is a versatile solution for paint or wood stain cans. Its airtight closure prevents stains and spills. Priced at an affordable rate, it comes in various versions suitable for different can sizes. Steel Sharpening Tool. The Steel Sharpening Tool from 2021 is priced at $25. It offers versatility with 3 different blades for sharpening scissors, pruning shears, axes, knives, and more. Spreader for lawn care. The lawn care spreader, with a width of 61 centimeters and a capacity of 76 L, makes handling peat moss, compost, soil, and mulch easier. Priced at $70, it's accurate and convenient for work in large areas. Bow Push Pro Push Stick. The Bow Push Pro Push Stick enhances safety when working with table saws. It features replaceable rigid EVA foam tips for securing workpieces. Priced at $20, it absorbs vibrations and provides slip resistance for added safety. As we wrap up our exploration of these remarkable tools and equipment innovations, we're reminded of the immense value they bring to the table. From simplifying complex tasks to ensuring the safety of workers, each product showcased here represents a step forward in the evolution of workmanship. Which innovation caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest advancements in technology and beyond. Until next time, keep innovating and stay safe.